Guys, I don't really know how to start this video. This is a video I've been wanting to make for a couple weeks now, and I just never really knew what to say. Really, all I'm trying to say in this video is I just want to switch things up. I don't really know how really else to say it. I've just been making the same videos every week, and I just don't like that. Instead of me getting on here and just making videos about Supreme, shoes and streetwear and all that stuff. I'm definitely still gonna have those videos, but I just want to show a little bit more of my life. I know I've done some vlogs in the past, but they really just haven't been they've been just thrown together, you know what I mean? Just showing you guys what I'm doing, and I don't really want it to be like that. I want it to be more of an artistic, more creative kind of. I don't really know what I'm looking for, but I just want to have my videos kind of connect more, if that makes sense. Really what it comes down to, guys, is I feel I'm a really creative person, and the videos I'm making right now are kind of boxing me in. Because every week, you guys know what I'm gonna be uploading. I'm gonna have a Supreme video, I'm gonna have a video on the sneakers coming out, and I don't want that, you know what I mean? I want it to be whenever I make those videos, I always catch myself saying the same information over and over and over, and sure, it might be helpful, but it's really not what you guys want, or not. It might be what you guys want, but I feel I could do way better than that, you know what I mean? And I feel every time I've been on YouTube, I've just been not copying what I've seen from other people, doing similar ideas and stuff. It's just not what I want for my channel, and for me personally, I just like to create things, and if I'm doing that, I'm just limiting myself, I guess. I mean, so I started YouTube about 10 months ago. It was December 24th, 2017, which is pretty crazy, you know, almost a year on YouTube. It's insane, guys. What are we at? 6,100 subscribers, which it's crazy for me. It might not seem like a big number, but for me personally, I never thought this would be what I'd be doing, you know? And with YouTube, I really just haven't been enjoying making the videos recently. Money really isn't the motivator on YouTube, and I don't think it ever will be. Honestly, at this point in my life, I don't really give a fuck about money. You know, where I'm at, I've been incredibly blessed to be where I'm at. So really, right now, it's just about creating, you know? I just want to create. Pretty much that's what it's come down to. I know I've been fucking talking for 6 minutes, but I just want to make stuff that is mine, that I can say is mine. And with the videos I'm making now, they're helpful. They're definitely not wasting my time or your time, but they're just not what I want to be doing. So every Wednesday I have to sit down and make a Supreme video. And if you guys noticed last week, I didn't upload one. It's just for the simple fact that I just didn't want to. You know, I didn't want to sit down. Last week was shit anyways, but it was just bad. I didn't want to have to sit here and talk about Supreme items that didn't have any resale in the same format I do for the past year. Every Supreme video I've made, it's been pretty much in the same format. And that's just not something I want. That's not something you guys, I don't think, would enjoy, because it's not new. You know, you already know. Yo, I don't remember what I was talking about, but the whole point of this video is really just to say things are about to change, hopefully for the better. I mean, it's gonna be becoming more of a creative space for me, so I hope you guys enjoy that. If you don't, you can unsubscribe. I mean, it might sound like I'm being a dick, but really, if you don't enjoy what I put out, you don't have to subscribe. The sneaker videos, don't get me wrong, the sneaker videos aren't going anywhere. Every week I'm gonna have a Supreme video. I'll have videos going over the shoes dropping also, but it's just gonna be a different format than what I'm used to, or what we're all used to, really. So just let me know what you guys think, if I should start separate channels. One thing I really want to do is have business videos for you guys, help you get started making a business. I know it seemed, what's the word I'm looking for? Ill-qualified, not qualified to do that, but personally I do think I am. I've had a couple businesses, some have been pretty successful, and I really think you guys should start a business. Really, I think everyone should have one. So I really want to do some videos like that. If you guys want to see that on a different channel, let me know. The gaming stuff, because really sometimes, guys, I just want to come on, get on stream, just talk to you guys and play video games. So if you guys want to see that, you know, maybe every Friday, every Saturday night, something be scheduled time, and I just get on a stream and we talk, you know. That's really what I want to have. I just want to have more vlogs, have some business videos, stream with you guys that's not just sneakers, so we can just chill, talk, play video games or whatever, and just have different videos. You know, like the video styles are gonna probably be different. As you guys know, this is not my usual angle. This is something like, I feel like it's a more personal angle whenever you see me like this. So I don't really know how to end this video. One thing I do want to talk about though is I started a clothing line. I'll put some pictures up right here. It's called Prospects Collection. This is another creative outlet for me, guys. So if you guys do enjoy the pieces, let me know. There's some in stock right now. So we had 2 colorways on the first drop. We had a tan colorway and a black colorway. If you guys, I guess I can just give you some background behind it. As you guys can see on the hoodie right now, it has a picture of Tulsa, which is where I'm from. So, you know, like it's like my first hoodie I've made. So I want to like have it be like where I'm from, you know, like this is where I'm at, and wherever I go in life, it can change. So I just want it to be like, the first hoodie is going to be at home. I don't really know how to explain it, guys. I can see it in my head, but I just can't illustrate it out right now. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll leave that in the description below. I'm probably gonna drop a new hoodie November, hopefully mid-November. So be on the lookout for that if you're interested. I might throw a screenshot up of what the back's gonna look like. I don't know yet. So let me know what you guys think about that kind of stuff. This video is crazy, like this is just mashed all up. It's gonna take so long to edit, but if you guys did enjoy it, or I don't know, guys, if you guys are excited to see new content, hit that like button. I'll leave all my social medias down in the description if you guys want to reach out to me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.